Character AI has 20 million users, but it is text only. Visual novels have gorgeous art, but they are pre-scripted. What if you could have both? AI-generated illustrations, multi-agent characters with real personality, and a story that genuinely branches based on your choices. This is The Director. You pick a genre, film noir, sci-fi, fantasy, horror, write an optional custom premise, and hit begin. Every scene is narrated in a second person tone. You are in the story, and every single scene gets a unique AI generated illustration using Flux. The image was composed by our art director module. It takes the narrator's art direction, cross references the character visual Bible for consistency, and generates a tailored Flux prompt. Every choice has real consequences. Watch, I will push back on this character. New scene, new image. The story genuinely diverged based on what I chose. And notice, the characters remember. Each character is its own Mistral agent with persistent memory and personality. They have secrets, goals, and agendas. They can lie to you. But here is but here is where it gets wild. See this choice I made earlier? What if I had done something completely different? I can go back to any past decision and fork the timeline. The director replays the conversation history up to that fork point, then branches into an entirely new timeline. Completely different scene, different image, different dialogue. A parallel universe created by a single different choice. And I can keep going, building a tree of branching realities. Under the hood, this is a multi-agent orchestration system built on Mistral's Agents API. The narrator is a persistent agent that outputs structured JSON, scene narration, dialogue, art direction, world state, and player choices, all in a single structured response. Each character is an independent agent with its own personality, goals, and secrets. When the narrator leaves a character to speak, it triggers a handoff. The character agent responds in its own voice, then hands back to the narrator. Every scene's image prompt is composed by an art director module that combines the narrator's visual direction with a character Bible for consistency, and the whole thing runs on conversation branching. Forking creates genuinely independent story threads. To recap the Mistral stack, Agents API for multi-agent orchestration with persistent state, structured JSON outputs for reliable scene generation, Flux 1.1 image generation for unique illustrations every scene, conversation branching for timeline forking, and the entire thing was built using Mistral Vibe as the primary development tool. The director. Every story is yours.